guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys that I have created using the Morphe 35O3 palette. This is what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like from the inside. A friend of mine from work gave it to me. So when she gave it to me, I was really excited to go ahead and play with all these colors and see what look I was able to create. So if you guys are interested in finding out how I created this look, just keep on watching. So what we're gonna go ahead and start doing is prepping our eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Take your concealer and put it all over the eyelid. Take a flat brush and just put this all over your eyelid. I like to take one of these little sponges . And dab the eyelid. So the color that we're going to be using is Smoked Out, which is this one right here. Just take an angled brush. Any angled brush will work. Take that color, dab it onto the angled brush, and we're just going to put this on our crease. We're going to take a small fluffy brush and we're just going to blend that out. So after you blend it out, we're going to add some of that same color. We're going back in with that same color, Hypnotic, dabbing it on to the brush, to a small blending brush, and we're just going to add a little bit of intensity. Now we're taking the shade Unstoppable, which is this one, on that same small fluffy brush, and we're just gonna add it to the top. Look at that. And once those two colors have been blended together, we're going to be taking this color, Ball of Fire, with that same small fluffy brush. We're going to add it to the top of where we added the other red color. And I'm taking another fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M513, and I'm just gonna use that to blend the colors together. And we're taking an even smaller fluffy brush. This is the M321 from Morphe, and we're gonna take this color, Smoked Out, and we're gonna add that to the crease, right where we put the initial color. I'm going to take that fluffy brush, the 506 by Morphe, we're just gonna start blending it out. And then to help blend the black into the red eyeshadow colors, we're gonna take this color right here, the one that we initially took, which is Hypnotic. With a fluffy brush, and then start adding it right between the black eyeshadow and the reds. To be able to intensify the black, I'm going to go ahead and take the angled brush that we used for the color Hypnotic at the beginning, and I'm going to put it on the crease. And then I'm going to take that small fluffy brush that we've been using, the Morphe M506, and I'm just going to start blending it out. We're going to go ahead and cut the crease, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease. And I'm going to take this flat brush. So once the crease has been cutted, we're going to go back in, and we're going to be using this color right here, Smoked Out, with a small blending brush right on the outer corner. We're going to start smoking that out. And then we're going to go back in. I'm going to use this color right here with a flat brush. This is the Morphe M167. And add that to the inner corner of the eye. Going to go in, and we're going to be using this red right here with that same flat brush, and we're going to add it in between the black and the green that we just added. And to help blend it out, we're going to go back into the palette and use this color to go in between the black and the red. Take the small fluffy brush that we've been using, the Morphe 506, and try to go in and just blend the colors. And then to intensify the crease right here, I'm just going to take a little tiny flat brush and dip it into this black color right here and just go over the crease with that black color. Go in, back in with the small fluffy brush and just blend it out. And then we're going to go back in with this color just to intensify the green on the inner corner of the eye. Then going in with a fluffy brush. This is the M513 by Morphe. And we're just going to go in and try to just blend everything as best as we can. Right, so this is the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do my the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you how I do the bottom part of the eyes and the lashes. So I'll be right back. Now I'm back with my face fully done, and I did the under part of this eye. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did on this eye to this eye. So we're going to take the small fluffy brush that we've been using. It's the Morphe M506, and we're going to go in to this color, and we're just going to start putting it on our lower lash line. And once that's done, I'm going to go in and use this color right here. There you go, and then continue to blend this out as much as you can. Kind of has to go in connection with this. So I'm using the translucent powder. This is by Revlon. Using a flat brush, and this one is from e.l.f. I'm going to take the translucent powder and I'm just going to put it in to the brow bone. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the eyelashes. I'm using these. The Eylur London number 6. I'm going to be using this lash glue. So I'm going to put the glue on the lashes. And then just wait for the glue to get tacky. While we wait for the lashes to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and put on some highlighter. So I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, which is this one right here. And I use 3 brushes to put on my highlight. This is the Morphe M558. It's a small fan brush. This one is the Morphe 501. And this one is by e.l.f. Setting spray, the All Nighter by Decay. And I'm going to go into the palette of the Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using this color right here. Spray this on. So I start out with the fan brush, and then I go in with this brush right here. I'm going to put mascara on first before we put on our eyelashes. And you can curl them if you want. I usually don't curl my lashes. Once you put on your mascara and the glue is tacky, just go ahead and put the eyelash as close to your natural lash line as possible. And then we're going to take mascara and we're going to apply it to the bottom lashes. The mascara I'm using is by Ulta Beauty. It's called Curl Up. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I see you in my next video.